Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Ayurvedaya Namaha. Today marks the beginning of Ganapati Navaratri, as today is the first day of Bhadrapada Masa. This is not only Ganapati Navaratri Utsava, but also Ayurveda Navaratri Utsava. Yes, you heard it right. That's because one of the names of Ganesha in Ganesha Sahasranama is Ayurveda. No other deity of our Sanatana Dharma has Ayurveda as one of his names. Vedavyasa has addressed only Ganesha as Ayurveda. From this, it's clear that Ganesha is equal to Ayurveda or Ayurveda is equal to Ganesha. So, as Ganesha Chaturthi is approaching on Bhadrapada Shuddha Chaturthi, which is his birthday, as Ganesha himself in Ganesha Sahasranama says, Nabhasye Masi Shuklayam Chaturthyam Mama Janmani. It's our duty to worship that Mangala Murti, and we, the Ayurveda Ayatanam, begin his worship by a name Ayur Ganapati, the glory and greatness of Bhagavan Ganapati in Ayurveda. As mentioned before, the 777th name of Ganesha in Ganesha Sahasranama is Ayurveda. Now we will see as why Ganapati is Ayurveda. The word Ganapati contains two words, namely Gana and Pati, where Gana means Samoha or group. Pati means Ishvara or leader. The Gana group always contains many things, Aneka, and Pati leader is always one, that is Eka. As the Jagat world contains many things, the Jagat world is the Gana, and the Pati, ruler of this Jagat, is Ganapati. According to Vedas, there are mainly three types of Gana which constitutes the Deva Gana, and they are Agni Gana, Vayu Gana, and Surya Gana. The Agni Gana are nothing but Ashtavasus, and the Vayu Gana are nothing but the Ekadasha Rudras, and the Surya Gana are nothing but the Dwadasha Adityas. And apart from this, the two Arogya Devatas, namely Nasatya and Dasra, constitutes the 33 Deva Ganas, and the Pati to all these 33 Deva Gana is Ganapati. Now let's look into another angle of the word Ganapati. A Purusha, that is a human being, is a conglomeration of many Gana, that is groups, such as Indriya Gana, Gnani Indriya Gana, Tatra Chakshuhu, Shrotram, Ghranam, Rasanam, Sparshanam iti Panchendriyani. That is, this Sharira as Indriyas, that is Gnani Indriyas, namely Chakshu, eyes, Shrotra, ears, Ghrana, nose, Rasana, tongue, Sparshana, skin. And also it contains Karmendriya, that is Karmendriya Gana, namely Hasta, hands, Pada, legs, Guda, anus, Upastha, genitals, and Vagindriya, that is tongue. And also it contains Sapta Dhatu Gana, Rasa Sranmam Samedosti, Majja Shukrani Dhatavaha, that is Rasa Rakta Mamsa Meda Asti Majja Shukra. It also contains Trimala Gana, Mala Mutra Shakrut Sveda Dayopicha, that is Purisha, Mutra, Sveda. It contains Tridoshas, and this is known as Tridosha Gana, Vayu Pittam Kapascheti, Trayodosha Samasataha. The Pati to these Ganas which is present in the body is the Ganapati, who is none other than the Atma which is present in each individual. In a nutshell, Ganyante Sankhyayante iti Ganaha Tesham Patihi Ganapatihi, which implies all that which can be counted, measured, is known as Gana, and Pati, leader to all these countable, measurable things, is called as Shri Ganapati. There is a factor known by Jiva Gana, that is, according to Vedas, there are 84 lakh species of living creatures in this world, and the one who is present in all these species and the Pati, leader to all these species, is Ganapati. Hence, one of the names of Sri Ganesha in Ganesha Sahasranama is Chaturashiti Lakshanam Jivanam Deha Samsthitaya Namaha. Thus, in this first episode of Ayur Ganapati, we saw the etymological derivation of Ganapati with special reference to Ayurveda, and from this it's clear that Ganapati is Ayurveda. Saying and doing namaskara to Ayurveda Swarupa Ganapati, we conclude today's session. Sarvam Shri Ayurvedar Panamastu, Sarvam Shri Ganesha Padara Vindar Panamastu, Swasti.